Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So yesterday we have completed introduction of our chapter reproduction. So now we will start our new topic, that is asexual reproduction, in detail. As we have read yesterday that asexual reproduction is uniparental mode of reproduction. So it has many modes of reproduction. These are binary fission and multiple fission, budding, fragmentation, spore formation, and vegetative propagation. Broadly, these are the modes of asexual reproduction. So we will study about these in detail. So here we go. Binary fission. Here parent organism splits into two small identical daughter nuclei, as one parent organism forms daughter nuclei. Here two daughter nuclei are formed. Binary means two. Binary means two and fission means splitting. So a parent nuclei forms two daughter nuclei. This is our binary fission. And if one parent give rise to more than two daughter nuclei, it will be our multiple fission. Here multiple means more than two and fission means splitting. So more than two daughter nuclei formation in multiple fission. Binary fission example is like amoeba, and multiple fission example is like plasmodium. So we will study about these in detail further. Here we can see our definitions. So now, budding, formation of new organism as an outgrowth of parent organism. Like here one parent organism is there. Now here a new organism will develop as outgrowth of parent organism, and when it will be mature then it will get split from parent organism like this. It is example is yeast and hydra. So now next is fragmentation. Body splits into two or three fragments. Like one body is here. Now it will split into two or more than two fragments, and these will develop into full organism later on. So this is our fragmentation. Next is our spore formation, that is development through spores. Example, thread like structures called hyphae develop on bread. As we have seen that some kind of mold is grown on our bread, so that is our hyphae, and this is a spore formation. Now next we will go with vegetative propagation. It is a asexual mode of reproduction in plants, that is vegetative propagation. It is asexual reproduction of plant where a plant part such as root, stem, etc. develops into a new plant. That is, one part of a plant forms a new plant as a whole. So there are some natural methods of vegetative propagation, like from roots, from stem, from leaves, and some artificial methods like grafting and many more. We will study them in detail later. So I hope you understood a broad view of this asexual reproduction and its different modes. In upcoming videos we will discuss about all these modes in details. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much.